Welcome back. My this video is on the comparison operators. Okay, and comparison operator is basically used to give or used to compare a variable with another variable or with a constant or with any data type. So, and basically the output of the comparison operator is boolean. It's either it will be true or it will be false. Okay, so let's start. So before that, let me create a variable first. So again, I am going to create a variable one, and let this variable be have any value. Means let us assign a value of 50. Let us create another variable in variable 2, and I'm going to assign value of 20 to it. Okay, so the first comparison operator will be equal to. How we write this variable? We write this variable by simply a hyphen and then eq. Okay, and this will give you a boolean output. So let's see. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this variable 1 with equal to 50. So let's check what output it is going to give me. You see, it is giving true output. But what if I change the variable? Let's change, change this constant value, means 50, 52, 55. So let's see what it is going to give us. See, it is giving false. So it is giving an boolean value. Okay. Now let us discuss about the not equal to. Operator, which is the reverse of this, reverse of the equal operator. So let's check. This is variable 1, and is this not equal to, and this is denoted by a hyphen ne. Okay, so is this value not equal to 55? So what output it will give us? Let's check. The output is true, and which is true. Now what if I I give the value 50? So what it will give? Yeah, it will give 50. Okay, next will be less than. Okay, next comparison operator is less than operator. Okay, so this is less than operator. It means that this operator is used to verify whether a given value is less than the value with which you want to compare. So let's check. Again, I'm going to use variable 1, then less than. Okay, then let's check whether it is this value is less than 45 or not. So I think you can guess what will be the output, which is true. Okay, because 50 is greater than 45. And now let us change the value and let this value be 55. Now let's see what output is going to give. It is true. Obviously 50 is less than 55. Now let us check the second operator. Which operator is less than or equal to? So let's use this. Less than equal to. Let's use any value. For example, less than or equal to 50. So let's see what it is giving. True. Okay. What if it is 55? Then also you should give the same output. Okay. What if it is less than, suppose it is 45, then what will be the output? False. Okay. So the next operator is greater than. Okay. Okay, greater operator will verify whether a given number is greater than the number which we greater than the variable which we want to compare here. So again, let's use this variable greater than. I think we should use this. Uh, Sorry, greater than 45. Let's see what happens. It is greater than or equal to 45. Sorry, greater than 45. Okay. Now let's use another. Let's use the other operator, that is greater than or equal to. So let's see, greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to 50. True. 45. True. Greater than 45. True. What if 55? Obviously, all right. It is false. Okay. This was all about the comparison operator. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you really like my videos, please share and subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up, which will keep me motivating to make more videos. Okay, thank you, take care.